it's Miss Jenny here. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm going to read Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems, and he is one of my favorite children's authors. Okay, here we go. Pigs make me sneeze. This is Gerald, and this is Piggy. And Piggy is shouting, Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want a yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Achoo! And Gerald's sneeze was so big, it blew Piggy off and up into the air and made her flip-flop. Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh, no. Uh-oh. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! And there goes Piggy. Do, 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 do. Boing. What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I can't be near you, Piggy. Oh. And then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. And look down there. Piggy's wearing a mask and a helmet just to protect herself. Choo. Goodbye. Gerald. It's a cat. This is a new character. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? Said the cat. No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! And there goes Dr. Cat. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick? Oh, thank you, doctor. And he's so happy he's hugging Dr. Cat because that means, Piggy, great news. I have a cold. And look at Piggy with all the tissues all around her. Sniffle, sniffle. Good for you. Now Piggy got sick. Snip, snap, snout, our story is out. Pigs make me sneeze. I hope you guys aren't sneezing, and I hope you're healthy and enjoying your time at home with your mommy and daddies. Bye.